What is up mga ka-tech shop? So for today's video, I'm gonna be fixing Realme C11 Android phone. And if you're interested in this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to check the links on the description, especially on the invocation link. If you sign up, you're gonna earn extra income if you keep on sharing links or promoting items online. So check that link, and yeah, stay tuned. I'll show you how I fix this phone. The phone no longer turning on. If you attach the charger, it's not charging. Alright, let's get it on. So first thing that you'll need to do is test the phone. So here I attach a charger, and the phone doesn't vibrate and no display. So according to the customer, it's an LCD issue. When I check the LCD, it's no longer the glue is no longer holding the LCD, and the circuit or flex cable on the LCD is kind of cut off for some reason. I think they accidentally cut it off. So let's go ahead and disassemble the phone. Let's remove the SIM card tray, and then using a prying tool, let's remove the back cover. This should be an easy step. And then we'll remove the screws on the upper back cover that protects the motherboard. So when removing the back cover, just be careful because you might damage the volume down and up, and also the power switch. And here I have an LCD, and by the way, for Realme C11, there's two versions for that model. There's version 2020 and 2021. So here I ordered the 2020 LCD, and this LCD doesn't fit on this particular model that I'm working on, because this is a Realme C11 2021. So I had to find a different LCD. As you can see, when I test it, the flex cable doesn't fit. So when I test this flex cable, try to attach it, I cannot attach it, and I don't want to force it because it might damage either the flex cable on the LCD or the port in the motherboard. So I checked they don't look similar when I compare it. So this LCD is for 2020, and we need the Realme C11 2021. Alright, so let's check. Let's remove the battery, and we'll see how it's gonna look like for the flex cable of this LCD. Yep, as you can see, it looks different. So this is not the right LCD for this specific Realme C11. The phone is Realme C11 2021, and what I have is Realme C11 2020. So I had to find a different LCD. So we get the right LCD here. Let's remove the broken LCD so we can test the new one. And then let's remove the bottom cover that protects the charging board. As you can see, the flex cable is damaged at the bottom there. That's why the phone doesn't power on or even vibrates when attaching charger, because the LCD flex cable and the flex cable from the charging board that connects to the motherboard is damaged. I mean, they are connected as one for LCD flex cable and the charging flex cable. So if we replace LCD, it should work. Alright, that's the old LCD. Let's test the new LCD. And then let's clean up the edges. So once we apply the glue, it's gonna hold properly. Alright, let's attach the new LCD to test it. And looks like it is working. And now we are ready to assemble the phone. So same process, so just make sure to clean up the edges on the frame and then apply glue, just enough glue, and then remove the stickers on the LCD flex cable. And attach it, and use rubber bands and clamps, and let the glue dry in an hour. And assemble the phone, and that's basically it. So if you're interested in this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, Janborn Tech Shop. Facebook page is Janborn Tech Shop. You might want to check it, and don't miss the links. All the tools that I've been using in my repairs is on the description, so don't forget to check it. Let's go.